Okay, so this took me a little while to figure out, so I figured I would share it with you guys to hopefully alleviate a little bit of struggle. So I really like these LED road flares, and I found a way to connect them to a switch so that you can switch them on and off, and they will maintain whichever pattern you had set up, which would be useful in a lot of different applications. I'm personally going to use this for a tip-up starting out, but I might use it for a lot of different projects later on too. Anything where you really need to show that something made a connection, I think this would be useful for. So basically, I attempted to modify this chip quite a bit. You can see some of the areas I tried to solder. It didn't really work out. So rather than do that, that chip controls the negative side of all of these LEDs, while the positive side just goes straight to a common and to the positive terminal on the battery. So really all you have to do is disconnect, or in this case I broke the trace here that runs from the positive terminal to the positive side of the LEDs, and then you'd run one wire off the positive terminal to your switch, and then back from your switch to any one of the positive terminals on these LEDs, and that will connect all of them. You can do the same thing on this one. You just take out this what is actually my 10 ohm resistor, and take him out of there, and then you'll put one wire on here, put another 10 ohm resistor in series to your switch, and then back to this trace here. So I would double check for yourself to make sure that's 10 ohms. That's what my meter said, but that doesn't necessarily mean that it's right. I'm going to double check again, and I haven't tested it on this one yet. This one I have tested. It's actually connected right now, or not connected, rather on. So let me see if I can make this connection without messing anything up. So basically, right, my tip-up would be sitting there off, and then it would go off and it would make the connection, boom, and it would turn your light on, and then it would disconnect again, when you reset your tip-up. So it would work like that, and it'll always maintain your pattern. So basically what's going on here is that chip is running, but the power doesn't have anywhere to go on the backside until you make that connection. So I think that'll work. If you're contemplating which one of these to buy, I've got both of them here, right? So the one with the fewer LEDs, more LEDs. This one has a CRA123 lithium cell battery in it, and this one's just got AA's. I would recommend, these are a little bit more expensive on eBay, same price if you're going to a store to buy them. I got this one at Menards and this one at Fleet Farm. I would recommend buying this one. It's got more LEDs, they're of the same quality, so it's a lot brighter. It's got a lot higher quality board on it. The chipset is a little bit nicer compared to this one, and that CRA123 basically it's going to last a lot longer, and it's going to stay brighter a lot longer. However, it is a lot more expensive than 3 AAA's, so leave that up to you. But again, just thought I'd share this trick. Hope it helps some of you out. Thanks.